Concrete roads and tar or asphalt roads are two common types of road surfaces used for transportation infrastructure. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages, and the choice between the two depends on various factors, including local climate, traffic load, budget, and construction requirements. Let's look at concrete roads first. Durability. Concrete roads are known for their durability and can withstand heavy traffic loads, making them suitable for highways and busy roads. Longevity. Properly constructed concrete roads can last for several decades, often requiring less frequent maintenance compared to tar roads. Weather resistance. Concrete is more resistant to extreme weather conditions, such as high temperatures and heavy rainfall, which can cause less damage to the road surface over time. Maintenance. Although concrete roads require less frequent maintenance, repairs can be more expensive and time-consuming when they are needed. Reflectivity. Concrete surfaces tend to be more reflective, which can improve road visibility at night. Let's look at tar or asphalt roads now. Flexibility. Asphalt roads are more flexible and can withstand slight ground movements better than concrete, making them suitable for regions with unstable soil. Construction speed. Asphalt roads can be constructed more quickly than concrete roads, which can help minimize traffic disruptions during construction. Cost. Generally, asphalt roads are less expensive to construct than concrete roads, which can be an essential factor when working with limited budgets. Maintenance. While asphalt roads may require more frequent maintenance than concrete, repairs are often simpler, quicker, and less costly. Noise reduction. Asphalt surfaces tend to produce less road noise, creating a smoother and quieter driving experience. In summary, concrete roads are suitable for long-lasting durability, high-traffic areas, and extreme weather conditions but require potentially higher initial construction costs and have more expensive repairs. Asphalt roads are suitable for areas with unstable soil, limited budgets, or where fast construction is essential, but need more frequent maintenance and potentially shorter lifespan compared to concrete roads. In practice, many factors, including budget, local climate, traffic volume, and soil conditions, influence the decision between concrete and tar roads. Engineers and planners evaluate these factors to determine the most suitable road surface for a specific location. Often, a combination of both types may be used based on the requirements of different sections of a road network. Please comment, like, subscribe, and keep learning.